Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2016 Nissan Altima SR. This is a very good looking car. When you look at it, it's got really sleek lines, very comfortable, very smooth. Of course, this is the SR package, so you're going to get your LED lighting with the smoke colored lenses. You do have your premium alloy wheels. This one is the pearl white paint, very clean. Inside you can see very, very clean. Whoever had this definitely took great care of this car. Again, you can see SR package. The thing I like with the Altima is you get tons of room in it. The trunk is very spacious. You have your pull straps here and here to drop your 60-40 split seat. You drop one side for smaller objects, both sides for huge objects. You can haul just about anything you need. And again, that pearl is one of my favorite colors. Just really gives it a classy look. See, you have plenty of room here in the Altima. You have your folding armrest here in the back. That'll fold down for the comfort of your passengers there. This one is the proximity key system. You just push that and that locks that. Beeps twice, lets you know it's locked. Now the car is completely locked. I have the key in my pocket, which of course this one does have both keys. Again, complete keyless system. If I want to unlock it, just go up, push that button, now it's unlocked. As long as the key's in my pocket, that'll work. Of course, you do have your power options, your power mirrors. This one does have your power seat here with lumbar support. And part of the SR package is you get this seat material, which is awesome. It's a cloth seat, but it's very, very smooth, very comfortable. This one does have your traction control. You do have your duplicate audio controls there. Of course, cruise control. You do have Bluetooth, so you can stream to your premium audio there. You do have USB and auxiliary inputs. This one is the automatic. You get your oversized center console there. The thing I like with the SR package, you're going to get your sport mode, which is going to give you your paddle shifters to give you a lot of control of the vehicle. Just gives it a really good fun feel. Now the best part about it, this car rides perfect. Very good riding car. Smooth, quiet, comfortable, handles well. And with those paddle shifters, it's a lot of fun to drive. Now, add to the equation, 37 miles to the gallon. That's right, a car this size with this much to offer, and you're getting 37 miles to the gallon. You can't beat that, guys. This car is under $15,000, only has 50 couple thousand miles on it. Do not miss this one. Get here fast. At City Motors, we've got a 6-month, 6,000 mile warranty. Of course, this one still does have factory warranty on it. We have no processing fees, and that can be a big deal because you go to some places and by the time you agree on a price, you get back to the business office and you're paying an extra $1,500 and don't know what happened. That's not going to happen here. We don't have any processing fees. You can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Get here and check this car out. It is extremely clean. Very nice car. Test drive it, you're going to fall in love. Thanks for stopping by.